Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Big shout out to the notification gang. Thank you so much for your love and your support. Thank you. I know you may be wondering, Tatenda, you can speak? Sis, we figured it out, okay? We figured it out. So in today's video, we're gonna be trying out this headband wig that you can see me wearing here. Yes, it's a wig, sis. Yes, it's a wig with a headband attached. So we're going to be trying out this headband wig from CurlsCurls. So let's jump straight into the video. Alright, so let's open up the box to see what's inside. I know you guys may be used to seeing the orange satin bag, but this time it came in a box. So in the box I had 2 headbands, instruction manuals, and the wig. So let's get the wig out so we can see what it looks like. So this is what the wig looks like. This is the curl texture. The curl texture is Kinky Coiy, which is for A type hair. And the wig cap comes with 3 clips at the front and 1 clip at the back, and then also your headband portion, which is velcro, and then it has another little like clip thing in the inside if you want to use that. So there are several different ways that you can actually secure the wig. The color that I got is 1B. As you guys know, color 1B is perfect for my hair color. So we're going to start off by washing the hair. As you guys know, I never ever try any products without washing the hair. There can be some residue products and things that are left during manufacturing, so you got to make sure that you remove those as well as the dyes. Then I dry the hair with a microfiber towel, making sure to bunch the hair. As this is a curlier than kinkier hair texture, I made sure that I did bunch up the hair as it was drying so that it can retain its curls. I also went in with a leave-in conditioner, my Country leave-in conditioner, and also the Sheer Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie. As an FYI for my hair, I parted my hair strategically so I could wear the wig. The front portion of my hair was only braided halfway, so I left about half of the hair, and then I made sure that I laid that hair down with the curl enhancer from Sheer Moisture so that it could have that wave effect. This is what this is what the hair looks like after it has gone and dried. So I'm going to put the hair on my head so we can see what this bad boy looks like. After situating it on my head, I'm going to go in with some edge control just to slay them edges so we can see what it looks like. So this is what the end products looks like. This is a really easy wig to wear. Like, as a beginner myself, this was so easy. You don't need any glue, you don't need any customization. It's just convenient. You just put it on and go. All you have to do is just make sure you part your hair in a certain way so that you can wear the wig as you desire. And the curl pattern looks really good with my hair texture. Even though this isn't exactly my curl pattern, you can manipulate your hair, add some gel, add some curl enhancer, so when you slick it down it has a wave effect, so it actually looks like it's your hair coming out with a headband on it. First, I'm going to be trying out this satin scarf, and I'm just going to be tying it into a bow at the front of my head. Something simple, something easy that we all can do just to see how cute it looks. Next, I'm going to be pushing the headband wig just a bit further back towards the middle of my head, and I'm going to use that satin scarf to tie the hair so it's sort of like a high pony in a sense, or like a high puff. In hindsight, I would have tied the scarf a little bit tighter, but it still looks really good, still looks like a really cute puff pony. Next, we're going to be going a little bit more advanced. I'm going to be doing a pineapple situation thing. And essentially, I use the headscarf to bunch up all the hair at the front and then tie it off at the back to act as the security for the hair. And this is what it ends up looking like. No one would even be able to tell that this is a wig. Next, I'm going to be trying this infinity scarf that I got in the box as well. This can be used for many different things. I just used it to just secure all the hair and do like a low ponytail. Next, we're going to be trying a higher updo. We're going to be doing a higher ponytail. I just used the exact same thing to pull all the hair up to the front. And then I tied the infinity scarf at the back and wrapped it within itself so that it's a little bit more taut at the top. And this is what it ends up looking like. Next, I'm going to be getting my ankara out so I can just try it as a head wrap as well, just to see how it looks. Plus, it matches with my outfit. So I'm just going to do a basic head wrap, twisting it all together and then wrapping it around itself. Something quick, something easy that you can just do and head out of the house with. And this is what it ends up looking like. So CurlsCurls is a factory direct store, which means that it doesn't go to a distributor then to you. It goes directly from them to you, which means it cuts out that middleman and that middleman pricing as well. Of course, I have a coupon code for you guys. You can use the coupon code tatenda to get 5% off your order. That's the end of the video, guys. Make sure to comment down below your thoughts, whether you like the wig, you'll try it. Like if you like the video. I love you guys so much. Mwah.